Good morning. I have this gas flame here. This is what the chefs use to, I think it's a crème brûlée or something. Then they burn the top. There's a lock here. Let's just see how it works. But it fell and it broke. This is like a cover in the bottom with two screws here. But the screws is still here, but there's no, this thing is damaged. Okay, let's just fix this thing. What I'm first gonna do is let's remove this little screws here. Let's get the screws out. So there's one screw there, like self tappers. And then there you fill it. Okay, this thing comes here. What I need to do is what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take masking tape. You're gonna close here. And then I'm gonna put the super glue stuff on there. There you can, I think this one I need to build up a little bit, and that is fine. Then you can, we can then drill 2 new holes in there. What I'm gonna do is you take some of this super glue, and I'm just gonna open this thing. Okay, the super glue is always clogged up, so I just took the whole thing off. Then you just put some glue in there. And there's not much left here. I think I must take a new one. This one is finished. This is actually nice. I bought this at China Mall, but there's like a whole bunch of it. So because your super glue is always finished, always harden up, and before you can finish use it. So, and there's a little nice pin here that you can open the top. See, this little bit small quantity. Then I'm gonna put some super glue there, super glue here, and then we're gonna build up here. Okay, then you take this salt here, and then you're gonna put it, oh, sorry. Okay, then I'm gonna put the salt on here. So then with the sand, with the salt, you build up that broken part, and then you put some more glue on there, and it soaks in there. Then after that, you can see a little smoke coming out here. So you take it off, and then you have your so now it's cover. So now that holes is, now I'm just gonna go with my drill, and I just drilled 2 new holes here. You can always take your file and just file it. There's a little, and see, this is almost nice now. I'm gonna take my drill. There's just a hint, when you finish with the super glue, just take it and push it a little bit that place can go open. Don't let that excess super glue lie there. Then you put your lid on. Now you keep it up straight in a box, somewhere in this box. You never lie down. Keep it up straight, and then the front is always open. Otherwise you battle next time to open it. Okay, now you're gonna drill. Now must I figure out where was the holes here. You see, there's one hole. Now, if you don't see it, then you take your vernier, then you measure the distance here of the holes from each other, and then you can then you know exactly where to drill the nut next one. Now you take this thing and you hold it there. So now I get my exact place where I need to drill. Just go make sure. So that will do. And you just drill a pilot hole. Now this screw is just a little bit thicker. And let's take a thicker drill. And drill them bigger. And now you need to make this a little bit countersink, because this part is in the bottom of the here, so it needs to stand in it. So now you take a bigger drill and you just go and take with your hand, and then you just countersink that part so that screws can sit in there. You can take a screw and you can test it. And now it's almost flat. A little bit more. So there's it. Now you can put this thing back. You can just flatten that a little bit. Okay, now we're going to put this thing back on. And then put this back there. And make sure it sits on that hole. You can just go and screw it back on there. Okay, now it's kind of fixed. You can take a black marker if you want to and just make it nice and neat. Just color it in again. Then it looks like new. Now we can go and we can fill it. And then let's see if it works. We can, there's a lock, unlock it. Then you'll hear it. And there's it. There's your flame. You can close it and lock it again. I think here you adjust the air intake to adjust the flame, color of the flame. Okay, now your gas flame is fixed again. You can stand like this and pops your uncle. Fasten it finally. Okay, this is one way to fix a broken kitchen flame. This is nice what we can do with this Q-bond. Q-bond repairs anything rock hard in 10 seconds. Extra strong. Now you get different two types. One is for metal, for bumpers, grills and fairings, radiators, many more. And the black one, or this is the super glue you get with. And here is the grey one for aluminium and metal surfaces, grey plastic surfaces. But I always buy this, you can buy any super glue. It normally works with any super glue. Because as I said, this this bigger one units, when it's when you open it, it tends to get dry. Then I buy those cheap ones, and then I put it in there in a small quantity. The China Mall works just as well. Okay, this is all from my side today. Hope you enjoyed this video, learn something. You can fix maybe something with this Q-bond. Till next time, cheers.